And welcome back. Kick off with football. Malines United came from 2 goals down to draw 2-2 with the Falkland FC in action from the Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. Falkland's Enrique Gordon set the tone early, breaking the deadlock in just the 4th minute of play. Gordon then popped up once again in the 15th minute to double Falkland's lead. However, in the second half, Malines had an improved performance. Jason Wright led the charge in the second 45 minutes for Malines. Wright cut the deficit in the 79th minute. He quickly struck again 3 minutes later to prevent Falkland from recording their first win of the season.
Well, basically, we've been playing with 10 men from the 5th minute. I mean, it's really difficult to play in the Premier League with 10 men. And then in the 80th minute, we took another card. Players have to just keep discipline and know how to finish out games and win games.
We went down 2-0, from early in the game. Our team show heart, them show determination to come back from a 2-0 down and to equalize in the last couple of minutes. And hats off to them. They did well, coming, the traveling from so far, coming in a hostile environment where we're playing against the third person, but we did well.
Meanwhile, Dunbeholden leapfrogged Montego Bay United after defeating them at 2-0. Ronaldo Wellington turned the ball into his own net to hand Dunbeholden the lead in the 83rd minute. Stephen Williams then made the win safe at 4 minutes in the 4th minute of second half stoppage time.
I think because of the lack of confidence that we've been playing with, that own goal somehow spurred us on to get something else out of the game, which we were able to achieve. We're happy for it.
After we play a game like that, we really fought hard this afternoon and didn't get nothing out of the game. It's very sad, but such is football. Such is football. We have to say congrats to Dunbeholden because they came here and walk away with our 3 points.
In the days of the matches, Tivoli Gardens and Portmore United played out a 0-0 draw, and it was also 0-0 between Vere United and Chapelton Maroons.